You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Palominos. And then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. Send me a DM with proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck. The Palomino giveaway ends at the end of September. The giveaway winner will be in a YouTube video here the beginning of October. So make sure you guys come back to the channel to find out who wins the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Good luck on this free sneaker giveaway. And don't worry, if you don't win this giveaway, I do monthly sneaker giveaways. Each and every month, I give away a hype pair of sneakers. So make sure you guys subscribe right now and join the Moore family. Hit that red button down below. I noticed a lot of you guys watch my videos are not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get to 70,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Shout out to Sole Premise for sponsoring today's video. This right here is the best sneaker bag in the world. As you guys can see right now, I have my reimagined Jordan 3s, but I can fit up to 4 pairs of sneakers inside of this one bag. These dividers, they come out, they move around, so you guys can put your clothes, laptop, chargers, everything you need inside of this one bag. There's plenty of space, plenty of compartments, even side compartments, both sides of the bag that also hold your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. They have a ton of different bags, all different colors, different styles. I promise you guys are gonna fall in love with their bags. These are the best bags there are that are made to hold your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Click the link down below in the description and use my promo code Danny Moore for 40% off. That's almost half off your entire order from these bags. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss out from these bags. And if you guys do cop a bag, please send me a DM on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with a screenshot of your order confirmation. For those of you that do that, I have a surprise for you. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the world. I use them all the time. I love these bags. They're amazing, very high quality, and definitely a great purchase. Make sure you guys check them out, link down below. The price on this sneaker has dropped. It's starting to drop. Right here we have the cream new Nike SB box. I got these from Supreme. I hit on Supreme's website. Luckily, thankfully, I was able to hit. I did get a size 11. These market was over $400. They're now under $400. They definitely have dropped in price, about $60 to $70 depending on size, as people are getting in their pairs. Right here we have the Supreme Nike SB Dunk Low Ramelzi. These are crazy, I must say, in hand. There's a lot of details, a lot of features of this sneaker. Ramelzi making these, you know, having an art, he's an artist, so them doing this collaboration totally makes sense. It's there, it's hype. There's a lot of branding all over it with the designs, which is definitely a nice touch. Definitely a lot of designs on this sneaker. You have a monkey on the back, for example. There's so much going on. You have all black laces. On the tongue, you also have the Supreme little Dubray there. That's awesome, the little lace lock there. A fat Nike SB tongue. I love my Nike SB tongues. Nike SBs, in my opinion, are better than Dunks by far. Then you got the fat Nike SB black laces. They do come with white laces as well. You got a gum outsole, man. That gum outsole on a Nike SB, it just hits hard, it hits different, in my opinion. I like these, man. These are dope. Am I gonna wind up wearing them? Probably not. It's not something I personally see myself wearing, but I do see them being sought after years down the line. And right here on the insole, one of my favorite parts about this is gotta be the insole. The insole is crazy dope. You got the Supreme branding on the insole. So one says Sup, the other one says Preem. And this is very, very dope. Very nice to see. And I'm very happy I was able to hit for retail, man. These were not easy. Not easy to get. They did sell out right away, of course, on Supreme's website. So these flew. The prices, man, have dropped. You know, they definitely are hyped. It's Nike SB and Supreme. Of course, there's going to be hype. But they did drop in price. So if you guys are looking for a pair, I do recommend go ahead and copying a pair now that I'm having them in hand. These are really dope. I like the lows better than the highs. Let me know if you guys were actually able to get your hands on a pair of the Supreme SB Rammellzee SB Dunk Lows, or the highs. If you guys were able to cop, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below the comments. If you guys did not cop, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who was able to cop and who was not. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like the beginning of the video starting off showing the shoe, and then we'll get into actually the sneaker. These Supreme SBs are something unique, something different, something you don't really see on a sneaker, and I'm here for it, man. It's definitely a nice collaboration here. These are fire. They're very nice. I was not expecting them to like them as much as I do in hand, man. Pictures are cool, but pictures do not do these any justice. Videos, probably not either. This is a sneaker I think you guys gotta see in hand to really appreciate and really, you know, get the gist of what they are and the storytelling, the details. It's a cool shoe. These are cool. Nike SB, Supreme, they definitely did a great job on this collaboration. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for me and join the More family. And if you don't have the notification bell hit, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new banger YouTube video. These are crazy. The sock liner is thick. The tongue thick. I love Nike SB so much better than regular Dunks, man. Regular Dunks just do not suffice. So the quality, the details, the story, and materials of Nike SBs. Nike SBs are better. And the hype for Nike SBs right now is through the roof. It's through the roof like crazy. You guys see every Nike SB is selling out and having some really decent resale value. So they're definitely very, very sought after Nike SBs right now. And this is definitely a Nike SB I do see being sought after years down the line. Rammellzee SBs, don't sleep, man. Don't sleep. These are clean, and I love that debris there. Supreme branding. These are just hard. This is a very good shoe. Let me know if you guys like them. If you guys don't like them, are they trash? Do you guys prefer the Dunk High? The Dunk High is like a white colorway. I wish they took that white colorway and put it here on the low. I think that would have been crazy fire, much better. But overall, this is a very clean shoe and very dope details across the entire sneaker. Let me know what you guys think about the Supreme SB Rammellzees here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. The Supreme SB Rammellzee is a fire, straight fire shoe. Don't sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.